welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Another snack review, another food review, where we try something different. And today, we're gonna try these. Pringles Enchilada Adobada. Enchilada Adobada. Enchilada Adobada. Enchilada Adobada. Enchilada Adobada. 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 It says naturally and artificially flavored. I'm not for sure exactly what are in these, what the flavor is supposed to be. On the picture there, you can see the lime and you can see the hot pepper there over a fire. A friend of mine recommended these to me, so I have one, and I'm gonna taste these and see what they taste like. So there's the chip. You can see it has got the flavor dusted across. There's also one on the bottom there. Here we go. Yeah. At the end there. There's a little bit of a kick there at the end. At first, tasted just like a regular Pringle. Nothing extraordinary. And then, I guess maybe where the dusting is, I don't know, the coating, the flavor. Got a little bit of a, kind of a little spice. You can taste a little bit of lime. I don't know what the other flavor really is. Must be this pepper on there. It's not at all really hot. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's a little bit of a starting to kick in a little bit. That was a little bit kind of spicy, a little hot. Try one more. Definitely had potato chips that are a lot hotter, a lot spicier than these. However, these are good. I like them. There's just a little bit, it takes a little bit of time. I guess kind of some ways, some spicy food is that way in general too. First, you don't taste the spice until a little bit later on. It's kind of how these worked. You didn't get that spice until a little bit later on. It was very good. I enjoyed it. Would I buy these again? Yes. I don't know, on a scale to 1 to 10, 6.5, maybe a 7. These are good. Good job, Pringles. Good job. Those were much better than your Philly cheesesteak Pringles. Those things are disgusting. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.